In this video, we're gonna look at how to navigate and zoom a document faster in Affinity using keyboard shortcuts. This will make your workflow much quicker and easier. So I'm gonna start by going to the Shape tool, grab the Heart tool, draw it here, and give it a color, maybe red, like a classic heart. Now when you want to move the document around, you might drag the scroll bars on the right and bottom. Another option is the hand icon, called the View tool. Click on it and drag your document to move it. Seems easy, right? But actually, neither of these is all that efficient and can slow down your workflow. Now there's a shortcut key you can use to navigate instead. Just press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard, then click and drag the canvas to move it. It's much quicker this way. Now let's combine this with the Zoom tool. It can be accessed from the toolbar here, but I prefer the shortcut key Z since it's quicker. I can click to zoom in, or press Alt and click to zoom out. I can also click and drag to the right to zoom in, and click and drag to the left to zoom out. Beyond those, I can also press Ctrl plus to zoom in, Ctrl minus to zoom out, Ctrl 0 to fit, Ctrl 1 to view at 100%, and Ctrl 2 to view at 200%. I can also go to the top menu, click View, then Zoom, and you'll see all the commands and shortcuts listed here. Let's say I want to zoom to selection. That's Ctrl Alt 0. So I'll switch to the Move tool, select the object, press Ctrl Alt 0, and there we go. So keep practicing these shortcuts, and you'll be flying through your work in no time. And that's all for now. I hope this makes your work easier and quicker. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!